Natures can't be created by beings, it itself do. But our individuality can be created only if you, by yourself. Hey alluring charms out there. I hope everyone is being the process of creating some brand new ideas and innovatives just to evince that you're a kind of unique creator. Let all to the best and advance kudos to the people out there. And today in my third video, I'm gonna show you how to make a cute book tag with the shape of butterfly. And even you can use those book tags for decorating the wall, cupboards, etc. Now let's get into the steps. Take an A4 sheet or unrolled paper which should be thick in manner. Then all you have to do is that fold it, cut it, fold it, cut it. Do follow as per the video. This folding will be looking like an attic, kind of top of the house, or otherwise called as a triangle shape. Now look over it carefully. I'm folding again the paper inside the triangle shape to the opposite side. Now change the sides of the paper as per the video. Swerve it and arc the top of the paper which looks in the shape of rectangle. Nearly we could able to see the one side of the butterfly shape. And now almost both the side the butterfly shape was visible. Can you see it? Ultimately we did it. And privately I have made more and more butterflies. Book tags. Rain. Certainly we love rain, but we admire rainbow as because of its color which appears rarely. As Kandinsky said, color is a power which directly influences soul. Of course I love my handmade butterflies, but I wanna admire it by coloring as like rainbow. As per the psychological fact, blue is described as a favorite color for many people, and also it is a color mostly preferred by men. Men out there, if it is for sure, then let me know by your comments. Blue is often seen as a sign of stability, reliability, inspiration, and health. And my chums, privately I have painted all the butterflies. You just paint with your favorite combination. And here I'm writing one of my favorite quote written by Steve Jobs. And I'm gonna tag this with my handmade butterfly book tag. Innovation comes from saying no to thousand things. Now let me show you another ways of using those butterflies. Even you can stick it on the wall or a cupboard, etc. as I told in the beginning of the video. Although I have used those butterflies to decorate my handmade dream catchers. All the people who's watching this video, let you all try this handmade butterfly and leave a comment of how it works. So finally, fingers crossed you like this video, and don't forget to do SSLC. It's not the 10th grade, but to share, subscribe, like and comment. Bye bye, take care, hasta la vista.